What's up guys, Upcycle the Best here. On today's episode we are going to seal down all of the welds and all of the creases with some sealant, and after it dries up we are going to paint it with some black stone chip rubber paint. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, subscribe to see more of these videos, and stay tuned for more. Okay, first of all, I'm going to clean down with degreaser all of the parts which will be sealed, and before that I will scuff them up where the sealant will go with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. After that, obviously degrease it again, blow down all of the dust, and after that we're going to paint it with the stone chip. Before the stone chip I will weld a couple of more stuff like this to the car, and after that I will paint it with stone chip because some of these are missing because this panel was replaced. Okie dokie, so here is the sealant. I think it turned out pretty dope. I forgot about this part, and I will have to weld, but I will do it when I will flip it on the other side, and after that I will seal this. Also, let's see in the back. Noise. And also here. Pretty good. I'm happy how this part turned out there, so no dirt will go in there, hopefully. Also here. Pretty dope. So yeah. Let's wait for this to cure, and after that it will get the stone chip treatment here, most of the part here, and everywhere beside this part here. Next time I will do it differently because now I made a bunch of work for myself, because I will have to re-epoxy it, then seal it, then everything. But yeah, this is how you learn. Before I forget, I will have to do a couple of these bad boys, 6 of them in total. One here, one here, one here, and also same here, here, and here. So let's make 6 of these bad boys. So here are the 6 brackets. Ooh, nice. Okie dokie, so these are all welded up. All 6 of them. They look pretty good. Everything is dried. It looks nice. And now I'm going to paint it with this rubberized chipstone paint and cover the parts where I won't have to work again. And after that I will have to flip the car on the other side. So no biggie there. Everywhere here it will get the nice and juicy stone chip. That came out really good. I'm happy. And I'm using this fan to heat up the paint, also a little bit shake it in front of it, and the body, because it's not as warm as I would like it to be, and it's not even sunny, it's really cloudy. But what am I expecting from November? So yeah, wish me luck. Oh, that hits the spot. Okay, so here is the black stone chip. I think so. Here is a weld. I think it came out pretty good, especially here. Look, it's pretty much OEM like. Here also it's not that bad. I mean, you can tell that it was work done, but not with a freaking pickaxe, you know. Pretty cool. And when I will turn it on the other side, I will have to replace this panel here. That's why I didn't paint it here. And I will have to be careful so I don't heat up the whole paint and everything. So I will weld, cool it down, weld, cool it down. And here in the back also, look there. I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy how it turned out, especially here. Still needs a little bit there. And here are the nasty welds, my welds. But I mean, like, it's not that bad. I'm fine, I can live with that, because it's okay. And here also, especially where I had place to work. I mean, here is a tiny patch and it's barely visible, so it's pretty cool. Also here, this patch is invisible. Here this seam is pretty cool. And here is a patch and it's not visible, and also here is a patch and it's not visible because I had a bunch of place to work and to safely grind it down. But back there it's freaking hard to grind and it's really time consuming, and I can live with that defect right there in the back. It's fine. Okay, so now I will clean out the engine bay from this part and here also. And I forgot to tell you in the other episode, but this is what I'm using as a rust inhibitor. Nigrin. It's something German made. It's really good. It's doing its job in like 2 or 3 hours. After that, you with a Scotch Brite, you scuff it a little bit and then you can paint over it, and it's working pretty good. Okay, so let's get the fire torch, the scraper and the grinder, and let's clean that engine bay. So that's all for today's episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I will stop with the chassis works right here because winter is upon us and I can't really work outside anymore because this place is an open concept where I have a bunch of space to entertain. I can't heat this place, it's impossible, and I don't have the budget or the time or the energy to close it all and make it usable during the winter. Maybe in the future when I will build a brand new house and a brand new garage for myself, but I don't know yet. Until then, this bad boy will be covered up during the winter, and until then I will finish the engine inside the workshop. Until then, take care, stay warm, and see you in the next one. Bye, guys.